car got crushed. We got a tire right there on the side of the road. People all outside walking around. Cars all stopped on the side of the road. Oh, right there, yeah. We just came from here, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck.
We're on that ramp over there.
We were just right there on that ramp, coming through here no more than maybe like 10 minutes ago. Yeah. Somebody's sitting right there texting. Car got creamed.
Damn, dude.
More cars on the side. You can hear sirens in the background. Got another car right here. That got even worse, looks like. Oh man, there's people all walking around. Wow. Look at that thing, dude. It's fucking upside down, dude. Dude, I hope nobody got killed in this. I hope everyone made it out safe. I don't think they did, but I hope, dude. Holy fuck, this is bad. Wow. Dude, the fucking tornado just came through here. We saw right where the tornado was, man. It was right here at this spot. Holy shit. I'm gonna pause it and get to a little closer view here.
Picked up his ground. Someone over there.
Yeah. Oh, we so trapped.
Back, man. We have to go back. We have to get on the 30th.
Jesus Christ, man.